Once the system is in place, you may start making up to $5,000 per month in passive income by simply copying and pasting common photos. There is no selling, no referring, no use of affiliate marketing, no following, and no need for social networking. To ensure that you don't miss any of the additional advice, pay close attention. Enter cute animals into the search bar on google.com to get started. Choose the images button from there. This will direct you to a page with several lovely animal pictures where you can learn how to use a very specific website and a unique method to make a lot of money online. To continue, go to this website, teespring.com. As I indicated before, all you have to do is copy and paste the photographs into a post on teespring.com. Your designs will automatically be printed onto a range of apparel, t-shirts, and designs as you upload them to Teespring. As you can see, teespring.com has a large selection of goods. Simple images can be uploaded, copied, and pasted, and they will help you print them on different t-shirts instantly. There are tens of thousands of original designs available on teespring.com. These are but a few illustrations of the many items other than t-shirts that you may sell on Teespring by copying and pasting photos. They also carry socks, leggings, backpacks, and headgear. There are even phone covers, accoutrements, and mugs available. Teespring assists you by pre-manufacturing all of the t-shirts and different designs, making them, and assisting with shipping to 180 different nations across the world. Print on demand is the concept behind this money-making strategy. You are able to launch your online business and design studio on teespring.com because they offer same-day or two-day shipping. You may start making 5 or 6 figures on Teespring. This is the way it works. You can start by making a product by using the Teespring launcher and clicking the Start Designing button. I'll show you how to upload and paste a number of photographs on your computer or mobile device to begin creating different t-shirt designs. All foreign orders will be manufactured, shipped, and fulfilled for you by Teespring. They even help you with customer service, and they have staff members that are trained to accomplish it. To effortlessly copy and paste some very high-quality images from Google, such as all of these lovely animal photographs, all you need to do is create a product. I'll show you exactly how to do that in a moment, but first, go back to Teespring's homepage. You may join up for the top global creator platform on this page by clicking the Start Designing button at the top. Just input some basic data, such as your name, brand name, email address, and password. Prior to clicking the Sign Up button, you should click the I am not a robot button. After you've entered your personal information and made an account, we'll go on to the next step to get things underway. You must select a name for your first Teespring store before it is built. Choose whatever name you want to enter, then click Continue. As you go to the next level, you'll need to introduce yourself to them by briefly outlining your position. From possibilities like a marketing, content creator, designer, organization, and more, you can choose. In this case, I merely choose content creator. You must connect one of these social media accounts to the social platform in order to verify that you are a real person. Any social media platform, such as Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, Twitch TV, YouTube, and Instagram, allows you to select your option. After selecting one of these social media accounts, just click the Continue button to quickly access your online Teespring store. I'll show you exactly how to copy and paste so you can start doing it. All you have to do is click on this red button to create a product. It will take you to this website where you can browse a variety of popular product categories. You'll get a ton of different suggestions for what's popular right now. For instance, joggers, fanny packs, and face masks. Other well-liked categories include digital, apparel, and accessories. Simply browse the numerous different templates and products that are offered below if none of these categories appeal to you. I'll put it into practice by using this design, which is for a long-sleeve t-shirt. Simply click this Start button to explore the long-sleeve t-shirt category. You can choose from any of these subcategories, including classic, premium, and organic, which is even better. The price for the classic is $13, the premium is $17, and the organic is $19. Click this button to simply start designing. Your t-shirt must have a picture on it. In the center, we must paste an image to which we will apply our design on the t-shirt. Once completed, now all you have to do is go to Facebook and look for groups about animals. You can post your design there and give them the link to buy the product if interested. You will easily get people from there coming to Teespring to buy your products. That's it for today. Please like, share, and subscribe.